Hello everyone, welcome to my another session of a TypeScript. In this session, we will talk about the installation process. To work on TypeScript, we need to install several applications. So let's understand what installation is required. So starting with that, you need to install a Node.js from the main site of the Node.js. Okay, you need to install a TypeScript compiler, and at last, for the writing the code, you need to install any modern code editor, like we have popular Visual Studio Code or a Visual Code. Visual Code is more popular. Visual Code is more popular, so we will go for Visual Code application. Okay, let's go step by step. Now, as I said, go to the Node.js download page and download the version. Let me check here. Node.js download. Go to this site, or you can go directly here, the download section. You can choose your operating system. So for my system, I will go for Windows installer 64-bit. Okay, so this is a actual setup file that you need to install. I have already installed Node.js in my system. So how you will identify? So I have already installed in my system. So to check whether your node is installed or not, what we do, we will go, we will type here cmd. Okay, and I will just type node and my version. Okay, I will check my version. Okay, maybe after your installation you may get a different version. So this is how you can confirm whether your node is installed or not in your system. Moving to next. So as I said, execute, we need to download that file, we need to install that file. After the installation, you can check in the command prompt node version. Now, next installation is a TypeScript compiler. This is a very important. So to install a TypeScript compiler, what we need to do, we have some command npm install -g and TypeScript. So let's go to that command prompt again. So what I will do is npm install g TypeScript. So G stands for the global. So we are globally installing a TypeScript. Okay. You can see the added one package from the contributor. Okay. Now, how you will verify? You need to verify that by writing this command. Okay. So now it is giving me a correct version, or you can say latest installed version of a TypeScript. Okay. So this is how you can install a TypeScript compiler. Now you need to install the Visual Studio Code. As I said, it is a very popular code editor. So let's see from where we can get that. Visual Code download. Okay, this is the first site you will get. Here also you can get a different version, a different operating system. So here also you can get a different operating system. From here you can choose your operating system. If you are working on Mac, you have different setup. If you are working on Windows, you have a different setup. Okay, I will go for my 64-bit installer. Installation process is very simple, so you can manually install this application. And in my system I've already installed this editor, code editor, so let's show you how it looks. Okay, so this is a Visual Studio Code, and I click on this, it will, okay, this is how it looks like. So okay, so in this section what we have done is we have installed Node.js, then we have installed a TypeScript compiler, and then at last we have installed a Visual Code. That's it. This much is only required for TypeScript. Thank you for watching.
In the next session, we will talk about the features of a TypeScript. Also, we will discuss about the differences between the TypeScript and the JavaScript.